Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'll be giving you a full tutorial on how to use the ShellTun VPN. When you open the VPN, you will see this interface. Here is the link to their YouTube channel. Here is the link to their Twitter channel, Twitter account, and here is the link to their Facebook page, and here is the link to their website. Now, having known this, if you want to set up this VPN, you go to Still Settings. In Still Settings, you will see all these settings here. When you toggle on the Still tunnel and toggle on the No Still Imported. Now, if you want to import a config file, you should click on Import. It will ask you to allow it to access your photos, media, and files. But currently, I don't have any config file for this VPN, so I will not import any of them. When you go to under Edit ShellTun server group, you will see connection protocol, you will see connection port, you will see connect via parent proxy. You can toggle it on, then you can make your editing. You also see custom payload headers. You can toggle it on. You will see advanced SSL settings. You can toggle it on. Then here you can put your host and put your port. But first of all, you have to toggle all this on before you can be able to do any settings here. Let's say I want to put my host. I can choose 8081. I'll click on OK. To edit my custom settings, I can enable the split. I can enable the front query and back query. Then on the parent proxy, I can set up the parent proxy if you have any parent proxy, but if you don't have, leave it at default. Now here the port is automatically set to be 22. You can choose 28 or anyone you want. Now when you go to these three dots here, you will see VPN settings, which is another settings entirely. Here you can set up a VPN, the DNS forwarding one, the Google DNS on and off, the custom DNS. You can put your custom DNS here, this one. You can put your custom DNS to you. Let's say you did your DNS settings and it wasn't working. You can reset everything there, and everything will go back to as it was. Then you can go to notification. You can choose the way the VPN app will notify you when it's connected or when any notification coming. You can choose sound. You can choose vibration. You can choose sound and vibration. Let me leave it at none because I don't want the VPN to disturb me in any way. Now you can rate the app. You click here, it will take you to the place to where you can give ratings to the app, as you have seen people are giving ratings to the app. Some reviews, some give like different picks. Please gave the app 5 star, 3 star, sorry, and Noragami 3 star too. And this one 1 star. So it seems they didn't enjoy the performance of the app. But anyway, the app is fairly performed from my own perspective. Now you can choose servers you want to get connected to. Let's say you want to get connected to the United States, you can choose it and tap on connect. So you say it fail server. Fail server, please check your settings and internet connection. Now, why this thing is happening is because of the settings I have done on the still settings. This particular settings here. I'll remove this thing and I'll turn off this. Okay, let's try again. I think. Let me check. Okay. It seems the app is not really working. The app is poorly performed. So the app is poorly performed. Okay, the app is connecting now. I think it's connected. Let's change server. Let's connect to the United States. Okay, from my own observation, from what's happened now, the still server is for those that knows what they are really doing. You get? So I wouldn't have time to be teaching you guys how to go through the still server or the right IP and the right settings to do. But from this very video, you should understand briefly how it works and what you should expect from the VPN. So if you have any config file you want to import, you should go to the still server and toggle on the still tunnel and import your config file. If you don't, I recommend you toggle it off, then go back and connect via your normal VPN connection. United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Germany, Netherlands, Singapore, and gaming streaming. So I hope you enjoyed this short video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and we hope to see you more.